Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Maple Holistic Sage Shampoo for Anti-Dandruff with jojoba, argan, and organic tea tree oil, natural, sulfate-free treatment for women and men, safe for color-treated hair, 8 fluid ounces. Also very natural, and doesn't have all those chemicals you see on other commercial dandruff shampoos. There are no harsh chemicals, which benefits your hair and does not strip your natural oils from it. It cleanses the scalp of buildup very well, so that helps with the inevitable shedding as well. Have tried many over-the-counters including Head and Shoulders, and other well-known products as well as prescription anti-dandruff and eczema shampoos to no avail. It tingles a bit, and smells heavenly, leaving the hair clean without weighing it down. Unfortunately, this led to a dry scalp, and a bit of a dead skin buildup. In that same line of thinking, the tar-based shampoos are stinky, and require a lot of wait time. It took a long time, and many trials of many products to find the one that worked for me. It makes me feel good, and is important to me that Maple Holistic's products are natural, have no harsh chemicals, and are cruelty-free. Great product. It also helps to follow the directions to allow enough time on the scalp and hair for even better results. It not only helps control dandruff, but also makes hair after wash very smooth, and scalp is no more itchy. The tea tree sage formula is supposed to reduce dead skin cell shedding and remove dandruff, but it doesn't. For the shampoo, it says to massage it into the scalp and leave for 23 minutes, then rinse and repeat. It was bad. He tried many different shampoos: Paul Mitchell Tea Tree, Head and Shoulders, Selsun Blue, Natura, Denerex, and Neutrogena Tea Gel. Yes, it's pricey for being so small, but it does the job. About to buy the second bottle now. The key is to let the shampoo sit in your scalp for a little while. You only need to apply a small amount, work in a good lather, and let the product work for you. It's a little more expensive, but it's worth it for something not full of chemicals that can damage your hair in the long run. One thing you need to keep in mind is that you need to apply it more often in order to see results. Super stressful going to work with all that dry flaky skin coming off every now and then. It works better when you let the shampoo suds sit on your scalp for a few minutes as it is directed on the label. It has a strong medicine smell. It reminds me of being in a day spa. It does make his hair feel a little dry after rinsing, but the conditioner takes good care of that. It was amazing. It smelled great, left her hair soft, and kept her scalp itch-free so the steroids could do its job without the burn. That being said, the shampoo wasn't drying, no sulfates, had some lather, and smelled pretty good. This high-quality and fresh-smelling shampoo is an excellent product for all sorts of hair. The only shampoo that helped with the extreme itching and scaly flakes was Nioxin Scalp Therapy. Once he washed his head that night, the next day he went all day without it itching or bothering him. It smells like sage, very botanical smelling, but hair doesn't smell like anything when dry. Hallelujah. It's really annoying when you have a great head of hair and all these flaky dead skin particles floating around in it like a Christmas snow globe. The natural ingredients in this shampoo have antifungal properties that help control the production of yeast buildup, which is the main culprit to blame when you have a condition like seborrheic dermatitis. Not only does it do the same job as anti-dandruff shampoos like Natura, it nourishes the hair follicles and strands to prevent breakage, split ends, and hair fallouts. On a side note, their Winter Series Minty shampoo and conditioner are another great choice as well if you are not a sage scent fan. For being holistic and a natural solution, the ingredient list is about 23 chemicals sounding stuff: sodiumness, cocoa oil that. Have tried it a few times, but it's going in the trash, despite the holistic price. This product was recommended to me by a coworker who suffered the same issue, who it worked wonders for. Those of you with true heavy dandruff know these here, and their flakes mean nothing. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.